Welcome to Cooking with Family. Today we're going to be making some coffee. First, if you have a coffee maker that takes coffee pods, this is your video. First, put the cup under the coffee thing. Make sure it's lined up so your coffee doesn't fly everywhere. As long as it's in this cut down circle, you're fine. Next, turn this little dial thing, and then it'll say open with a little drop. Press this play button, and now I want 10 ounces. 10. Then, what I'm going to do, now I just press the 10, and after a while it will start pouring the coffee. Once your coffee's done and you hear the beeping, you'll press off, slide your thing, then take it off the stand. Next, what you'll do, if you have a cup with the lid, put it on the cap. Time for delivery time. Hello, welcome to Cooking with Family. I'm June. Today we are baking red velvet cookies. So first, on the recipe sheet, it says you need a mixing bowl and a spoon. A spatula is fine. You could just use a big spatula. Next, it says 1 stick melted butter, and we'll melt it in a minute. Now, what you need, it says 1 cup chocolate chips. Take your 1 cup, and then take chocolate chips. You can use white chocolate chips or just chocolate chips. Next, we'll need a tablespoon milk. Next, we'll need the ingredient that we actually really need, the red velvet cake mix. And then finally, the egg. And you will put the butter inside a container, 1 stick. Then, if you have a stove that has a melt type on it, put it on your stove, but if not, just in the microwave until it melts. And now we wait. After your butter is melted, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Grease or line 2 sheet pans with parchment paper. Alright, let me show you how to heat the oven. First, you have probably a bake. You press that, and then you hit start. In a large mixing bowl, pour together melted butter and cake mix. Stir until partly combined. So while we're waiting for our butter, let's open our cake mix and get it in the bowl. Now, if you have your spoon in your mixing bowl, I would say don't take it out because we're doing the bowl. Next, pour the cake mix inside the bowl. We want to keep our area clean, so let's take, if you have still have your cake mix thing on, your cake mix wrapper on the table, make sure to put it in the garbage. Now I'm just learning about parchment paper, and it's pretty rolly. It took me a while to get that one done. Take a cookie sheet and then take some parchment paper and put it on your cookie sheet. This parchment paper really doesn't like this fan. Oh no. Don't you dare. Don't. I'll fix you in a second. This parchment paper. Ta-da! Now if your other one started to unfold, make sure you fix that, but when the once the cookies are done, once the cookies are ready to be baked, it'll stay down better. Now let's check out our butter. Mine's getting meltier. Hopefully in a little bit it'll be done. What I'm going to do now is stir this with my spatula. Very slowly. It's starting to melt the big bit of butter. Butter's melted. Let's put it in the bowl. Take your butter and put it in the bowl with your cake mix. Then it'll look kind of red, probably. Mine does. Then stir very gently. Partly combined. Make sure you don't leave any on the sides, because if it does, it sticks and then you don't get much of the batter. And some of the liquid you need might be on the side, and you need that to mix it. I think it's time to add the next ingredient. Add in an egg and stir to combine. Next, take your egg. Then throw your egg away because you won't need it. Like the shell. Next, what we'll do is take a tablespoon of milk. What I did, I put it in this measuring cup, and now I'll pour it. Next, put that in there, and it said mix until combined. Wow, it's really starting to look red. Maybe if this turns out good, you can use it for Valentine's Day. Can't forget these. With your chocolate chips, and I would say just pour a couple into the dough. Pour into the bowl. Then stir them around in the dough. You gotta love it when one escapes. When you think most of the chocolate chips are stirred in, scoop tablespoonfuls of dough into lined cookie sheets. Right now I am using this cookie scooper, and I'm putting 4 fingers, because it said to put 4 fingers every cookie you use. If they are too close, they can bake together, and then you'll have 2 cookies in one cookie. Now this came up, something came. After you're done, you should have 4 rows of the cookies. You should have 12 cookies on one pan. Next, while I'm getting this pan full, I'm going to ask an adult to get the cookies in the oven. Next, you should probably get your 4 corners started. I only had to do 3 when my parchment paper started listening to me. Almost done, just 1 more row. Hey, you get down here. 12, because I know 3 plus 3 is 6, and I know another 3 plus 3 is 6, and I know 6 plus 6 is 12. Now I'm just checking the cookies. 55 seconds, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50. These were in the oven for 10 minutes and at 350 degrees. And they look so good. I can't wait to try one. They are done. I'm ready. I'm so excited because the cookies are done. And this is my sister, little Lila.
My name is Lila. Hi.
She's going to help me with the taste testing. So what we have is a glass of milk and the cookie. Ready, Lila? Ready. Thanks. Good. So good. I think it's good. 2 thumbs up. I would actually want to put 100 thumbs up, but I only have 2.
I would want to put 800 thumbs up, but instead I only have 2 hands, so. These are definitely red velvet, because look at what happened to my mouth.
And her lips. They're dyed red. Thank you for coming.